Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. As you can see, I am at the post office getting ready to drop my flyers in the mail for Impact Mailing Club. Okay, all you do is you put your flyer for Impact Mailing Club in these customized envelopes I have, and you just drop them in the mail. That's it, okay? So that's what we're here to do today. All right, here goes. Okay, I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. I want you guys to see, this is what I actually do. Okay? Okay? That's all you have to do. Anybody can do this. You don't need experience. All you need is to follow the steps that I give you, and you can do the same. Okay? Here it goes. Impact Mailing Club. Join me at Impact Mailing Club. I'll put the link below. See you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.